everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the components of MS Word. But before this, let me tell you a little bit about the software. MS Word is a part of Microsoft Office suite. It is created by computer giant Microsoft. It is the most commonly used word processor in the market. And using this, you can create and save a document. You can open an existing document. You can edit or format a document. You can preview or print a document as well. So now let's see the various components of MS Word window. This entire screen that you see here, this is known as the application window. And the smaller window that you see inside, this is the document window. Now we'll be discussing our document window in the later part of the video. Let us see various components here. Now, MS Word has a variety of functionality and variety of commands, and thus we can say that it has got a very user-friendly interface. So let us look at various parts of this interface. The first one here, this is known as the title bar. This is the area where you see document name written. By default, the name is document 1. And along with this, it displays the name of the application. That is Word, Microsoft Word. Now moving towards the left side, we can see three options here. Now these three buttons are used to save, undo, and redo actions. This section is collectively known as Quick Access Toolbar. On its right side, we have got three buttons to minimize, restore or maximize, and close button. These are collectively known as control buttons. Let's move further. Now we have options like File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailing, Review, View, and Help. They are known as tabs. So when we click on each of the tab, we can see that there are certain set of options, or you can say commands, that are displayed below. And for each of the tab, the set of commands is different. Before we move on to discuss the commands here in all the tabs, I want to discuss about one more tab, that is File tab. Now as I click on this File tab, you can see the view has changed. This view is known as the Backstage view. Now this Backstage view lets you manage the document. You can create a new document, you can open a new document from here. We can save a document, we can print a document. The functioning of this part will be covered in another video. Now let us move back. Now, as I've shown you that by clicking on each of the tabs here, the set of commands below are changing. The area, this area from your left to right, this gray area on which the commands are present is known as a ribbon. Now, this ribbon is divided into groups. Now, let us identify the groups in each of the tab. In Home tab, we have groups like Clipboard. Below are the names of the groups. These are the names. One group is Clipboard, another is Font, Paragraph, Styles, Editing. Then we have Insert. In the Insert tab, we have Pages group, Tables group, Illustrations, Add-ins, Media, Links, Comments, Header and Footers, Text and Symbols. Similarly, let's check for the Design tab. We have Document Formatting, we have Page Background. For Layout, we have Page Setup, Paragraph, and Arrange group. And so on, you can check for the other tabs as well. Now, by default, Home tab is activated. Now, let us talk about the area which is below all this. This is known as the document area. This blank area is used to create, edit, and format the text. On around this blank area, you can see here that we have got on the top and towards your left side, we have got certain numbers here. This is known as the ruler bars. The ruler bars are present on the top and on the left side of the document. This is a vertical ruler bar, where my mouse is right now. Vertical ruler bar allows you to format the vertical alignment of the text. And horizontal ruler bar, you can modify the indents, you can set the margins, you can set the tab stops and page measurements using this horizontal ruler bar. Now let's move further. Now towards the end of the document here, this gray area is known as the status bar. Status bar displays some information about your document. The first information is number of pages your document is having. Currently it's just one page, so it is displaying page 1 of 1. Number of words written in your document. I have no word written here. I did not write anything, so it's 0 words. Let me just write something here. This is my first document. And you press enter, and you can see the number of words have changed from 0 to 5. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so it is counting number of words here. The third icon is proofing error. This icon checks if there is any error in your document. For example, right now it shows no error. Let me just make one mistake here. So this is one error here. The document does not understand the spelling. It just understood that there is something wrong with this area. So this proofing error has given me an icon with a cross symbol. This means that it has found some error in the document. So when I click here, it'll suggest me some of the options to correct my error. So you can choose the options from here. If you think the option is not present, you can just ignore it and you can change it yourself. Since our option wasn't present, so I chose to ignore and I corrected this myself. Then towards your right side on the status bar, we have got different views. These are the different views that Word has to offer. The first is the read mode. So when I click here, this shows the complete page on the screen. And if your document has got multiple pages, it'll show the multiple pages. Let's come to the print layout. This is a default layout that is displayed. And this print layout shows the document as it will appear when it will be printed. Then comes your web layout. This view enables you to see the document as it would appear in any of the browser. Now, let's come back to print layout. Towards the right side, on the status bar, next to the view buttons, we have one slider. This is called a zoom slider. This lets you zoom in and zoom out of your document. We are zooming in and we are zooming out. So this lets you zoom in and zoom out to your document. So these were the components of MS Word window. I hope you will just find it very useful. If you do, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.